Welcome to WritersER, the go-to source for all things dissertation, thesis, and research related. Today we're diving deep into the heart of your research journey, the literature review. This component of your dissertation can be both intimidating and exhilarating, serving as the foundation upon which your study stands. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand the steps to crafting a comprehensive literature review, but also how to do it efficiently, saving you time and money. Firstly, let's demystify what a literature review is. It's more than a summary of existing research. It's a critical discussion that shows the relationships between various works and how they contribute to your research question. Think of it as the academic conversation your dissertation is entering into, highlighting gaps that your research aims to fill. Like, share, subscribe for more impactful content. Now on to the step-by-step guide. Step 1, define your topic. Start by clearly defining the focus of your research. This step guides your entire literature search, helping you stay on track and relevant. It's like setting the destination in your navigation app before starting a journey. Step 2, search for literature. Use databases relevant to your field, like PubMed for health sciences or Gestor for humanities and social sciences. Keywords are your best friends here. They unlock a treasure trove of relevant studies, articles, and books. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time to gather a wide range of sources. Step 3, evaluate and select sources. Not all that glitters is gold. Evaluate each source for its credibility, relevance, and contribution to your topic. Peer-reviewed journals are gold standards, but don't shy away from dissertations, theses, and conference papers. Step 4, identify themes, debates, and gaps. As you sift through your sources, themes will start to emerge. These themes form the pillars of your literature review. Highlight the ongoing debates and, most importantly, the gaps your research will address. This is where your work begins to shine, filling voids with your insights and findings. Step 5, outline your literature review. Like an architect, draft a blueprint of how your literature review will be structured. Will it be thematic, chronological, or methodological? This outline ensures your review flows logically, guiding your reader through the academic landscape you're painting. Step 6, write your review. With your outline in hand, start writing. Introduce each theme or debate clearly, discuss the relevant literature, and critically analyze the contributions and limitations. Your voice is crucial here. Weave your narrative through the academic discourse, showing how your research is positioned within the field. Step 7, synthesize, don't summarize. The magic of a literature review lies in synthesis, connecting dots between studies, drawing out patterns, and constructing a narrative that supports your research question. It's about making a complex quilt, not just displaying patches of fabric. Step 8, revise and refine. Writing is rewriting. Review your draft for flow, coherence, and relevance. Ensure each paragraph transitions smoothly to the next, and that your review culminates in a strong section that highlights the research gap your study will address. Step 9, proofread, the final polish. Check for grammatical errors, typos, and ensure adherence to your academic style guide. A well-written review sets a professional tone for your entire dissertation. Remember, your literature review is not just a hurdle to clear. It's an opportunity to showcase the depth of your scholarly engagement with the topic. It demonstrates your capability to synthesize vast amounts of information and to carve out a niche for your research. As you embark on this journey, remember that patience, persistence, and a keen eye for detail are your allies. The process might seem daunting at first, but with each step, you're building a solid foundation for your dissertation, contributing to the ongoing academic conversation in your field. We hope this tutorial lights the path for your literature review journey. If you found these tips helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER for more guidance on your academic writing and research endeavors. And before you go, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What challenges do you face when writing a literature review, and how do you overcome them? Repeat this journey with us, diving deeper into the academic world, and together, let's make your research journey a little less intimidating and a lot more impactful. Don't forget to like, share, and and subscribe for more insightful content designed to help you navigate your doctoral or master's voyage with confidence and clarity.